Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Case Teaching Group. Today we will discuss the question given in the Bharat scale. This question are more useful for the ITI fitter students for AITT CBT exam or other competition exam. Now start the question. Number 129. Which type of machine screw used in heavy duty assembly work? Panhead screw, option B cheese screw, option C rounded screw, option D hexagon head screw. Option D will be the correct answer for this question. Option D hexagon head screw is used heavy duty assembly work. Now 130 question. Question number 130. Which type of machine screw is used in light assembly work? Option A hexagon head screw, option B cheese head screw, option C hexagon socket head screw, option D square head countersink head screw. The previous question given which type of screw is in heavy duty assembly work? The answer will be hexagon head screw, but in this question light assembly work. Which type of screw used in light assembly work? 130. Option B cheese head screw. Option B will be the correct answer. 131. Which file with sharp and parallel teeth used on soft and non-metallic materials? Option A pillar file, option B tinker file, option C dreadnought file, option D wording file. Option C dreadnought file. Option C will be the correct answer for the question number 131. Pillar file is used for filing narrow groups. Pillar file is used for filing narrow groups. Narrow groups, slots, keyway, tinker file is used for finishing automobile bodies after tinkering. Tinker file is used in automobile. Wording file is used for filing wording file is used for flat filing, slots, filing on slots, and keyways. Next question. Which file is used as finishing tool and ensure precision smoothness? 132. Option A Swiss pattern file. This is the correct answer. Option A Swiss pattern file is used as finishing tool and ensure precision smoothness. What is the thickness range of a BIS set of filler gauge? 133. Option B, correct answer. 0.02 mm to 1 mm in steps of 0.02 mm. What is the height of slip gauge? Q equal to 25 degree equal to 0.4226. What is the height of slip gauge? This is the height of slip gauge. We know that sin theta equal to P by H sin theta means 25 degree. 25 degree equal to P by H. P means perpendicular. Here is perpendicular is the height of slip gauge, that is P by H. H means length of hypotenuse, that is H. 100 implies sin 25 given the value of sin 25 equal to 0.4226 equal to P by 100. H, this is H, equal to cross multiplication. Now P equal to P equal to 0.4226 into 100, that is equal to 42.26. Answer option B. What is the instrument used for measuring internal diameter of workpiece? Parallel leg caliper, outside caliper, pair of special jaw by using slip gauge. Option D, vernier caliper. Option C, correct answer. Option C, correct answer. Pair of special jaw by using slip gauge. What is the calibration grade of slip gauges? Option A, grade 0. Option B, grade 00. Option C, grade 1. Option C, grade 2. Option B, grade 00. What is the method of build of size using slip gauge? A ringing process. This process is called ringing. Option A. Ringing means joining the two slip gauge together. The process in which slip gauges are joining together is called ringing. Option A answer. What is the gauge used? Thread ring gauge. Option B, thread plug gauge. Option C, screw pitch gauge. Option D, thread caliper gauge. Option B, thread plug gauge. Option B. Option B, thread plug gauge. What is the purpose of ring gauge? Check the outside diameter. Option A. Check the outside diameter. Ring gauge is used. Check the outside diameter. Check the external dimension. Option A. What is the range of size in individual radius gauge? Option A. Step of 1 mm. What is the gauge to check acceptable size on external diameter of a shaft? Ring gauge go, plug gauge go, ring gauge no go, plug gauge no go. Ring gauge go. Option A answer. Ring gauge go. Option A. What is the finishing process carried out with abrasive stick to correct the profile of internal cylindrical surface? Honing. Option B, honing. Which lapping material used for easy charging and rapid coating? Which lapping material is used for easy charging and rapid coating? Option A, cast iron. Option B, copper and brass. Option C, close grain cast iron. Option D, white cast iron. Option B, copper and brass. Which lap material is inexpensive and can be expanded if worn out? Which lap material is inexpensive and can be expanded if worn out? Brass, cast iron, lead, bronze. Lead. Option C, lead. PB. Plumbium. Which type of abrasive material is externally hard and used in lapping for heavy stock removal? Which type of abrasive material is externally hard and used in lapping for heavy stock removal? Option A, silicon carbide. Option B, aluminum oxide. Option C, boron carbide. Option D, diamond. Silicon carbide. Option A. Option A, silicon carbide. Which abrasive is used for lapping dies and gauges? Boron carbide. Option B, silicon carbide. Option C, diamond. Option D, aluminum oxide. 147. Boron carbide answer. Option A, boron carbide. Which is the hardest of all abrasive material and used for lapping? Tungsten carbide. Option A, silicon carbide. Option B, boron carbide. Option C, diamond. Option C, diamond. Option D, aluminum oxide. Diamond. Option C, diamond. What is the abrasive used for lapping accurately finishing very small holes? Silicon carbide. Option B, diamond. Option C, boron carbide. Option D, aluminum oxide. Say diamond. Option B, diamond. What is the purpose of lapping vehicles? 150. Option A, regulate coating action and lubricate surface. Option B, medium effective operation. Option C, decrease dimensional accuracy. Option D, decrease coating ability. What is the purpose of lapping vehicles? 150. Option A, regulate coating action and lubricate surface. 151. Which lapping vehicle is used for lapping copper and its alloys. Vegetable oil, option B machine oil, option C soluble oil, option D petroleum jelly. Used for lapping copper and its alloy. Option C soluble oil. What is the purpose of lapping tool? Lapping tool for external surface, lapping tool for internal surface, lapping tool for external cylindrical surface, lapping tool for internal cylindrical surface. Lapping tool for external cylindrical surface. Option C answer. What is the temperature that changes of structure to austenite starts at 723 degree Celsius in heat treatment process? Option A lower critical temperature, option B upper critical temperature, option C melting temperature, option D critical temperature. Option A lower critical temperature. Lower critical temperature. At this temperature the structure changes to austenite starts to changes. What is the process if hot steel is cooled slowly and old structure is retained, and it will be have fine grains that makes it easily machined? 154A annealing, B hardening, C tempering, D normalizing. Option A annealing. What is the name if hot steel cooled rapidly to form a new structure? Ferrite, austenite, martensite, pearlite. Martensite. Option C. What is the process to add coating ability and wear resistance on steel? Tempering, annealing, normalizing, hardening. Hardening. Option D. What is the heat treatment process to remove extreme brittleness and induce toughness and shock resistance in steel? Tempering. Option A. Option A. Tempering. What is the process of steel being heated to a required temperature and held in the same temperature for a period of time? Soaking, heating, quenching, hardening. Soaking. Option A. Soaking. What is the purpose of brine solution, water, oil and air used in heat treatment process? Quenching. Option B. Option B. Quenching. What quenching media is used for special alloy steel? Brine solution, water, oil, cold air. Cold air. Option D. Cold air. What is the heat treatment process of reheating and hardened steel to a temperature below 400 degrees Celsius followed by cooling? 161. Tempering, hardening, annealing, normalizing. Tempering. Option A. What is the advantage of annealing? To relieve internal stress, to add coating ability, to refine grain structure of steel, to increase wear resistance. Option A. To relieve internal stress. What is the process of removing the internal defects of steel components? Option A annealing, option B normalizing, option C hardened, option D tempering. Normalizing, option B. Which key is used for transmitting light torque? Which key is used to transmit light torque? Option A saddle key, option B wood loop key, option C give head key, option D feather key. Option B wood loop key. How the mechanical properties of steel like strength, toughness, ductility are affected by tempering, by hardening, by annealing, by normalizing? By hardening. Option B. Which bearing material has poor thermal conductivity? Nylon, Teflon, sintered alloy, laminated phenolics. Option D. Laminated phenolics. What is the purpose of deep groove type? Deep groove type of ball races provided in the ball bearing? To withstand shock, to carry zonal loads, to withstand axial thrust, to withstand radial load. Option C. To withstand axial thrust. Why the double row roller bearing is used? Option A. To take axial load, to take radial load, to take heavy axial load, to take heavy radial load. Roller bearing. Double row roller bearing. Option D. To take heavy radial load. Why the melting point of bearing material should be lower than that of the shaft? Prevent shaft seizure, prevent damage to bearing, allow the bearing to run efficiently. And prevent thermal expansion of shaft. Why the melting point of bearing material should be lower than that of shaft? Prevent the shaft seizure. Shaft siege. 169A. 70. What is the name of washer? Internal type washer, external type washer, internal and external washer, countersunk washer. Both side रे अछि, internal अछि external, तने internal and external washer. Option C. Which alloying metal bearing can work at higher temperature and higher load carrying capacity? Option A cast iron, option B white metal, option C copper lead alloy, option D cadmium base alloy. Cadmium base alloy, option D. Cadmium base alloy, cadmium CD. Next part start करिए 172 रो.